Hi, I'm Jane, and I'm here to help answer some questions about the OMF South that will be coming to the South King County area. First question.
What's an OMF? OMF stands for Operations and Maintenance Facility.
Think of it as a place where the trains live when they're not being used. You know, like their home where they go for cleaning, storage, and maintenance to get ready for the next day. The OMF South is going to be able to hold 144 light rail vehicles and will create over 470 new jobs. All of the OMFs are actually part of a region-wide network, and they are crucial to supporting our growing light rail system that will connect 16 cities and have 116 miles of track. Now let's talk about noise. To help us with that, we have our noise expert, Shankar. Shankar, what's the noise situation going to be like at the OMF South?
Jane, essentially a facility like the OMF South would have two types of noise sources. One of the noise sources is obviously from maintenance activities such as the car wash facility. The second noise source is from trains moving within the yard. The trains move very slowly within the yard at up to 7 miles per hour, and because of that the noise is very low compared to what you would expect from trains moving in typical service.
So, how loud will the noise be at the OMF South?
It's complicated to give a single number for how loud it's going to be because noise depends on the distance of the source and the direction of the source. But what we can say confidently based on the measurements we've done so far and also the modeling is that the OMF South, the noise generated there is going to be quieter than the existing noise in the area currently.
Nice. Thanks so much, Shankar.
You're welcome. See ya.
And thank you for taking the time to learn more about the OMF South. This is your community, and we know it's important to you. If you have more questions, you can visit the Sound Transit OMF South project page, where you can get more information and sign up for updates. Until next time, bye.